Okay, this is super crude, but I'm going to tell a story. This is a video that I'm taking of my monitor. I don't really have video editing software right now where I can play picture-in-picture, so let me just set this up. I'm going to take video of video. Up in the top left corner is myself. Bottom right corner is a guy on a bike with another cam trailing me. And I'm going to start these videos at the same time. Basically, to set it up, we were following a Jeep Cherokee who was doing about 75 in a 45, and he was really kicking butt. And we're thinking, oh, local boy, at least that's what I was thinking. And we catch up to him when we were riding, and he gets stuck behind some slower traffic, and we all get bottled up together. And that's where I'll start the videos. And we'll start this camera and that camera. This is pretty much in sync. What we're looking at here is these two videos from two different perspectives. Mine in the top left, the other rider in the bottom right. And I'm thinking, I gotta get around this guy. And as soon as I got a chance, I passed him on a double yellow along with the pickup truck that was in front of him. Now, the rider that was following me is now stuck behind him in the pickup truck, and I'm off to the races. At this point, only doing about 80, whereas the guy in the Jeep is trying to get around this pickup truck that's kind of going slow, and he can't. I'm cruising along about 80, 75 right now. And I put on a few seconds between them and us. It's all real time here. Anyway, the other rider, Jeep and pickup truck, still all stuck together. Now the guy in the Jeep's trying to get around here. He's got his blinker on with the dotted line. Can't get by with the oncoming traffic. At this point I did some math, and I am coming up on these cars right there with about a 20-second lead from where these guys are right now behind me. So I've put 20 seconds between them and I. Now I picked the pace up, and I'm hitting into the 90s and 100s. Almost to break 100. I'm adding extra seconds. Jeep still stuck behind this pickup until dotted line, and finally he passes the pickup on a double yellow now. Second rider passes the Jeep on a double yellow. And this is where it gets interesting, because the second rider is now being pulled over. It was a cop. Hear the siren? I'm still kicking along. Coming up on some other part of our group at this point, I'm slowing down. They're talking. There goes the pickup truck around them. At this point, I estimate I've got probably about a 40-second lead. Second biker talking down here, giving me precious seconds. Maybe I'm up to 50 seconds now. 60 seconds possibly. I'd have to sit down and really count it out. And there goes the flashing lights. And he's after me, and I don't know it. I'm kicking along at 90, being chased, unaware. And the other bike pulls out, and he was instructed by the officer that when the officer caught me and pulled me over, that the second biker was supposed to pull over as well. But he never caught up to me. And that just goes to show you how crazy it can be when you think you're just passing a normal vehicle, and just a few seconds make all the difference. Nuts. Very nuts.